Welcome to Shapet Induction Pvt Ltd, where innovation meets precision. Located in the heart of Gujarat at Metoda GIDC Rajkot, we are proud to be a leader in manufacturing cutting-edge induction heating and melting equipment. With over 3 decades of expertise in induction technology, we are now transforming the future with our newly established state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, equipped with world-class machinery like laser metal cutting, CNC bending, and VMCs. We ensure precision, efficiency, and unparalleled quality. Our advanced equipment serves a wide range of industries: surgical implant manufacturers, jewelry makers, submersible pump manufacturer, bearing manufacturer, industrial cooking products manufacturers. We also work many other applications like shrink fitting, hardening, annealing, forging and melting, etc. At Shapet Induction, we are committed to creating energy-efficient, environment-friendly solutions. Our automation and green manufacturing processes not only reduce energy consumption but also set benchmarks for sustainability. Our skilled workforce, cutting-edge R&D, and focus on innovation drive us to continuously improve and deliver world-class products. We aim to generate employment and contribute to India's industrial growth. Recognized under the prestigious Startup India program, Shapet Induction Pvt Ltd is proud to contribute to India's mission of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Our vision is to lead with technology, foster economic growth, and set new standards in manufacturing. Shapet Induction Pvt Ltd, innovating today for a sustainable tomorrow. Join us on this journey of excellence.